I love my teacher.
Yes, I do.
I love my teacher.
How about you? She shows me letters. She shows me books. She gives me smiles and happy looks. I love my teacher. Yes, I do. I love my teacher. Yes, I do. She shows me letters. She shows me books. She gives me smiles and happy looks. I love my teacher. Yes, I do. I love my teacher. Yes, I do.
Teacher Suzette, we love you.
Hello, Teacher Herlene. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for teaching us. We love you from grade 1 Matunog. Hello po, Teacher Herlene. Happy Teacher's Day to you. Thank you po sa lahat ng pagtuturo. I love you. Teacher Herlene, we love you. Happy Teacher Day. Thank you to teach all us. We love you. Bye. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Herlene. We are grateful for your guidance, for teaching us with care, and for reminding us to treat others with respect. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Jenny. Salamat sa walang sawang pagtuturo sa amin. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Glenny. Thank you for teaching us and God bless you. Mwah! Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Glenny. I love you and thank you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Glenny. Thank you for teaching us to live and instill us to be kind to others. God bless po. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you, Teacher Glenny. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Glenny. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Glenny. We love you. Morning, Teacher's Glenny. Happy Teacher's Day and thank you and I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom Glenny. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom Glenny po. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom Glenny, and I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Glenny. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Mom Glenny. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Glenny. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Glenny. Thank you po for teaching us guidance. Arigato. Salamat po. Glenny, Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Glenny. You are the best teachers. I love you. Happy Parents Day, Teacher Glenny. Thank you. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Glenny, and I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Glenny. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Glenny Panya. Salamat sa pagtuturo niyo po sa amin. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Glenny. I love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Happy Teacher Day, Mommy. You're the best teacher. I love you. Bye-bye. Mwah. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher May. Love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher May. I love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher May. Thank you and we love you. Mwah!
Happy Teacher Day, Teacher May. Salamat po sa turo amin. God bless you po. I love you, Teacher May. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher May. Thank you for teaching us. We love you. God bless you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher May. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher May. Thank you for teaching us. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day sa lahat ng guro, lalong-lalo na si Teacher May Joy Pancilyon. Salamat po sa araw-araw na pagturo at paggabay sa amin. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher May. Thank you for teaching us. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Riza. Salamat sa imong pagtudlo sa amua. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Riza. Thank you for teaching us and being a good teacher. We love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher. You caring us and loving us. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher. Salamat sa pagturo. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am. Salamat sa pagtudlo. I love you. Go.
Happy.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Risa. Salamat sa imong pagtudlo sa amua. Walang to. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Risa. Thank you for everything. We love you from Lado family. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Reza Osorio. I love you.
From Yangu and Briones family, Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers.
Especially to my teacher Janet Bao. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for loving us and teaching us. God bless.
God bless. Happy Teacher's Day.
Hello po, magandang araw po.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers and JRLS, especially to
Teacher Janet B. Bahaw. You're the best teacher ever.
Hello mayang adlaw sa tanang teacher sa GRLS Lansang, no? Happy Teacher Day sa teacher sa akong anak sa Kinder 2, si Teacher
Annalyn P. Balantay.
O sa pagka-grade 1 niya, si Teacher
Glenny P. Panya.
O karon nga grade 2 siya, si Teacher
Janet B. Bahaw.
o sa tanang teacher sa GRLS Lansang o gilaban na gyud sa atong sexy, gwapa o maabtikon nga principal, si Principal
Glory Jean P. Malunes.
Og teacher, happy teacher sa inyong tanan. Og hinaot pa tagaan mo ni Lord og maayong lawas adlaw para matudloan ninyo pod og adlaw ang among mga anak. So once again, happy Teachers Day sa inyong tanan. Mabuhay gikan sa Tauto Family. Once again, mabuhay.
From Duran family.
Happy Teachers Day, Teacher Janet.
And also to all teachers of Jose R. Lansang
Elementary School.
From Duran family.
Happy Teachers Day po,
Teacher Janet.
At sa
lahat din po ng mga teachers sa Jose R. Lansang Elementary School.
God bless you all and I love you.
Happy Teachers Day. Ma'am Janet, thank you for teaching me.
Teacher Janet, thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin magbasa at magsulat. We love you from grade to Bahaw.
Family, Happy Teachers Day, Teacher Janet B. Bahaw. At sa kanyang kinder teacher na si
Teacher Suset Gumulong.
At sa kanyang grade 1 teacher na si
Teacher Joanne Broncano.
at sa lahat ng teacher ng Jose R. Lansang Elementary School. Happy Teachers Day. God bless you.
From Bosano family, Happy Teachers Day, Teacher Janet, and to all teachers of Jose R. Lansang Elementary School. Hi, Teacher Janet. Happy Teachers Day po. And sa lahat ng mga guro ng Jose R. Lansang Elementary School, God bless you all. Heda family. Good morning, Teacher Janet. Happy Teachers Day and all teacher Jose Lansang Elementary School. God bless you and always. Hi, Teacher Janet. Happy Teachers Day po. And sa lahat ng mga guro ng Jose R. Lansang Elementary School, God bless you all. From Duran family, Happy Teachers Day, Teacher Janet. From Pantila family, Happy Teachers Day, Teacher Janet.
And to all teachers of Jose R. Lansang Elementary School.
Happy Teachers Day, Teacher Janet. Thank you sa pagtuturo sa amin, pagbabasa at susulat. We love you from grade to Bahaw. Yay! Happy Teachers Day, Teacher Hazel. Thank you po sa pagtuturo po sa amin. I love you. Teacher Hazel, Happy Teachers Day. Thank you for teaching us. I love you. Happy Teachers Day, Ma'am Hazel. On this Teachers Day, Teacher Hazel, I just want to thank you for always supporting me and teach with patience and with love and inspire with wisdom. You're truly special, Teacher Hazel, and Happy Teachers Day. I love you.
Happy Teachers Day sa lahat ng guro sa Jose R. Lansang. Maraming salamat sa mga itunuro nyo sa akin.
Teacher Hazel, Happy Teachers Day. Salamat sa pagtudlo. I love you. Bye-bye. Ligayang guro, Teacher Hazel. I love you. Thank you.
To our beloved teachers of JRS, thank you and Happy Teachers Day.
Happy Teachers Day, Mom Hazel. I love you, Mom. Happy Teachers Day, Teacher. I love you. Happy Teachers Day, Teacher. Thank you sa pagdisiplina sa amo. Tapos thank you sa gina-teach ni mo sa mua. Thank you. I love you. Happy Teachers Day, Mom Hazel. We love you. Mwah. Maligayang guro, Teacher Hazel. I love you. Thank you. Happy Teachers Day!
Teacher Shella. Thank you for teaching us new lessons every day and supporting us, love, kind, and patience. And once again, Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Shella. I love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Shella. Thank you for teaching us. Good morning, Teacher Shella, and to all teachers. Thank you for teaching us and guiding us to become a respectful student. That's all. Thank you and Happy Teacher's Day po. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Shella C. Barbelino. Thank you for your effort and for teaching us. Again, Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Sheila Barbelino. Salamat sa imong kabuotan, sa pagsabot, ug sa imong pagtudlo. Kay nakabaton mig kaalam. Salamat. Again, Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Sheila Barbelino. I love you. Teacher's Day, Ma'am Sheila. Happy Teacher's Day. Salamat. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Sheila. Thank you po sa turo mo sa amin at God bless you. I love you. And again, Happy Teacher's Day. Teacher's Day po, Teacher Sheila. Salamat sa pagtuturo sa amin. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Sheila. Thank you for teaching us. Teacher's Day, Teacher Sheila. Thank you for teaching us all the lessons you did for us. Happy Teacher's Day, Marcella. Thank you and I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Marcella. Thank you for teaching us to be an honest and to be a bright, to be a good student. I love you. God bless you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Sheila. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Sheila Barbelino. Salamat sa imong kabuotan, sa pagsabot, ug sa imong pagtudlo. Kay nakabaton mig kaalam. Salamat. Again, Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Sheila. Salamat po sa pagturo sa amin. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day to Ma'am Sheila Barbelino.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Shella. Thank you for teaching us new lessons every day. And patience, love, kind, and being the second mom at school. And once again, Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Shella. I love you.
Teacher Sheila Barbelino. And thank you for teaching us. And God bless you. Teacher Maricar, thank you for teaching. Bye. Advisor, Teacher Maricar Ikanlog, I am so lucky to have such a wonderful teacher like you. You are an amazing teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Maricar. Thank you. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Maricar. Thank you for teaching us every day. I love you and God bless you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Maricar. Thank you and I love you. Hello, Teacher Jazz. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you for guiding us, inspiring us. You are amazing teacher. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you. Teacher's Day, Teacher Jess from Quezon Joyce P. Comendador. You help me learn in every way. That's why I smile each school day. Thank you, Teacher Jess. Love is a joy. Speak Comendador. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Jess. Thank you for being a kind and patient teacher. You make school have a happy place every day. I love you, Teacher Jess. Mwah. Happy Teacher's Day. I love you, teacher. Mwah. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Jess. Thank you for guiding and teaching us. I love you, Teacher Jess.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Jess. Salamat sa pagtudlo. I love you.
Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Jess. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Jess. Thank you for teaching us. Thank you for guiding us. I love you, Teacher Jess. Mwah! Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Happy Teacher's Day. We love you and thank you for everything.
Hi ma'am, hi sir. Dati akong student sa Jose R. Lansang Elementary School and I'm Angel Cabillon and I just want to say happy Teacher's Day. Love you all.
Hello teachers! I am one of the students na nag-graduate nila sa GRLS batch 2015 to 2016 and I just want to greet you a happy Teacher's Day. And here I am now, nag-practice teaching na din and I will also greet myself a happy Teacher's Day in advance. And I hope that you will continue to share your learnings and knowledge to your students. And again, from batch 2015 to 2016, happy World Teacher's Day.
Hi ma'am, hi sir. I'm Ashley May Avelwan, a former student of Jose R. Lansang Elementary School, and I just want to say that happy Teacher's Day po.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Glenny. Thank you for being a teacher, a mentor, a role model, and a safe space. Thank you for helping me discover what I'm good at and cheering me on every step of the way. Thank you sa lahat ng ibinigay mo po sa akin. I love you po.